Ano man ang ating gawin sa buhay, dapat may guide tayo at tamang daan na tinatahak bago kumilos. Tulad ng pag-invest sa stock market, dapat alam natin ang tamang proseso. Marami ang nalulugi sa stocks kasi nag invest agad sila ng pabigla-bigla. We need to build knowledge first, then plan before we execute. Madami kayong nakikita sa social media na mga complicated tips, technical strategies. Sa channel na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo ang mga simpleng paraan upang kumita ng malaki sa stock investing. No need to master technical analysis. This is based on my experience as an investor, trader, and as professional in the field of finance and accounting. This is the road to success and wealth. Para yang hagdan. Kailangan malampasan mo muna ang unang step. Do not invest immediately. First, you must define your goals, have the right mindset to avoid being emotional. You need to know how to choose the right investment. Then, focus on your target companies. After that, you can prepare your resources before investing. To develop strategy, di mo kailangan technical analysis. My strategy that I will share is not based on the technical analysis. It is very unique but powerful. Tamang diskarte lang, pero wala kang talo. Para maging effective ang strategy, dapat matutunan mo muna lahat ng steps na nabanggit ko. Sa aking next videos, let's talk the different steps to succeed. Always remember, if we fail to plan, we are planning to fail. Let's build our knowledge, learning skills, before we execute actions. Let's define your goals so that you have the right mindset that will guide you in your investment. Pag-usapan natin ang trading at dividends. Then, I will share my experience and knowledge in choosing the right investment. Ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat alamin natin sa pagpili ng investment? Dahil ba sikat at malaki ang company, mag-i-invest ka na? Dahil ba na profitable and company at maganda ang market condition, bibili ka na agad ng stocks? Then let's talk about proper planning. I will also prepare videos for the list of the best companies to invest in. I will share a list of stocks where I gained profits even when the market was not stable. It is important to focus on your target companies. Then, pag-usapan natin ang mga resources na kailangan natin before investing. Ilang broker ba and kailangan? Sapat na ba ang isa? How about your source of funding? Then pag-usapan natin how to execute our strategies. Do you actually need to master technical analysis? Can you actually predict the market with all the indicators available in the platforms? Remember, the market is based on demand and supply, but can you predict it in the next few hours, days, or months? I will teach you the simple but powerful strategies to maximize your gain that is proven in any market condition. So kahit bumababa ang market, pwede ka pa rin kumita sa ituturo ko na strategy. If you want to maximize your earning potential in trading by learning the basics, planning properly, and executing strategies effectively, please subscribe to stay updated with the valuable insights I'll be sharing. I'll also provide step-by-step guidance to help you achieve success and build long-term wealth through stock investing and trading. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next insightful presentation to help you grow your wealth.